Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews, where my job is to find fun, unique, and innovative products to unbox and review to see if they actually do what they're supposed to and ultimately find out, do you need them and should you buy them? So today we have a really interesting product to unbox. This is called the ToothShower. Now, if you've ever used one of those water flossers in the past, you know they make a complete mess. And I know for myself, there's been times I would brush my teeth or have the kids brush their teeth in the shower. You just spit it down the drain. But if you use the water flosser, obviously you have to plug it in. The thing makes a complete mess, goes all over the place. So ToothShower said, hey, why not put it in the shower? That way it's already wet and you don't have to worry about anything, and you can water floss your teeth, get rid of all the disgusting stuff in there and shoot it all out. So this unit will actually stick right to the wall with the adhesive tape. So it's waterproof adhesive tape that it comes with. And it comes with, actually it shows a brush, you can floss, and also you can massage with the different attachments. So that's pretty cool. And they call it different irrigating accessories. It says ToothShower's revolutionary oral care solution powered by your shower. So what happens is you're not filling the container. It actually comes with a diverter that's going to plug in or screw into your water line right before your shower head, and it's going to get the water that way. So you're always getting fresh water. Also pretty cool. Should not be that big of a deal for anybody to install. Pretty much just undo it and screw it right in. It says it actually uses the water pressure from your shower. It uses 3 unique accessories to clean your teeth and gums. So, I don't know if there's actually power like a battery yet. We're going to take a look. But from what I'm reading, it's using the pressure from your shower to actually push the water out to use the flosser. So pretty cool. It says comfort pressure dial, additional accessory cup for toothpaste cup, and storage. So this is pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box of the ToothShower. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and take a look and actually see what's inside. And make sure you like and subscribe to the channel here so you can see we're gonna do a demo install and actually test it out in our review video. So that should be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and just cut this real quick. Get more kisses with ToothShower. Alrighty. So we have an accessories and mounting kit. Feels pretty light. Go ahead, see what's in there. Alright, so that's the adhesive tape, the 3M adhesive. That looks like the gum massager, one of the, I guess the water flossers right there, as well as the double-headed toothbrush and some Teflon tape. So when you screw it in the diverter, you can put the Teflon tape around the different areas so it doesn't leak. So the threads, you're gonna wanna do that. Let's see, water diverter valve. That's pretty heavy. Does not feel like it's junky plastic or anything. Feels pretty heavy metal there. So there you have that. You have some O-rings there as well as the diverter. And that's gonna, see how that's gonna work there. So you would switch it on and off to divert the water. Pretty cool. A user manual getting started, talks about leaking and all that different type of things for your getting started guide. And then here we go with the actual unit itself. Not very heavy, so I can see how that will hold it up, the adhesive tape. So you have some plastic on that to keep it nice during shipping. And then you have your storage on the side here. Looks like you can put some of the brush accessories, things like that, as well as some more storage on this side. I don't see anything for batteries, so yes, it's just gonna use the full pressure of the water when you divert it. Here it says adhesive strips, so you're gonna put that where it needs to, so that's great. And then you have your dial here. I think that's the pressure dial, how much pressure you're gonna put through the unit, to the flosser. Plenty of line here, as well as line that's going to go up to the diverter and the top of the shower. And then here is, this looks like your on-off switch. So one thing I will say about this kit only comes with enough really for one person to use. So if you want to use more of these water flossers, you can, I'm sure you can get more of these on the site. and I'll talk about that more on the review. But you can see this is obviously for one person. You don't want to go ahead and share that stuff. So that's what's in the box here of the ToothShower. I'm going to go ahead and install it, and we'll talk about how it actually works, how easy was it to install, does it live up to the features and the benefits that it mentions, and ultimately, should you buy it or not. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here.